Hey everyone, and welcome to a special little extra episode here on the main track. Now, the last time we chatted, I told you about my trip to the Ozarks Model Railroad Association annual train show here in my hometown of Springfield, Missouri. And with that, I promised to show you some of the cool layouts that were on display. As you can see, it was a pretty fantastic show. Well, I've been attending this annual event since I was 14, which is a lot more moons ago than I'd like to admit, but from the looks of it, this may be the biggest show yet I can remember. Well, it's been growing quite a bit in recent years, and this time they packed out an event center at our regional fairgrounds. As usual, I stocked up on some great new items for the layout, caught up with some friends, and took some time to admire all the great layouts on display. Now, one layout I've seen at some other shows, but for the first time here in Springfield, at least that I can recall, is from the Tri-State Model Railroaders out of nearby Joplin, Missouri. Their modular layout depicts the region around their home city near the states of Missouri, Kansas, and Oklahoma. The members were running some power from railroads that serve the Joplin area, like the Santa Fe, Frisco, and Missouri Pacific. Now, these guys have made appearances at several shows. I caught up with them several months earlier at the Great Northwest Arkansas Model Train Show in Bentonville, Arkansas, and here are some shots I took during that event. And now back at the Springfield show, we took some time to visit with our friends at the West Plains Model Railroad Club. You might recall I featured this great little HO scale layout last year in our recap of the OMRA show. This time the group has a Frisco unit leading the train through the display. As I pointed out last time, it's a great example of being able to pack a lot of detail into a small space. One feature that caught everyone's attention were the vehicles lit up. You'll want to check out our previous video for the West Plains layout, and I have that link in the description below. One of the new exhibitors was here with a neat O-scale modular layout. He was running some steam equipment, including this Katy unit heading up a consist of Texas special cars. And this little Frisco steamer led up some Katy livestock cars around the loop of track. I thought this layout was neat because it proves you don't have to have a big space to run big-sized trains. It's a simple setup, but I'm sure it provides a lot of fun. Well, as you can see, a lot of hard work went into these layouts, and everyone did a fantastic job on them. And with that, we'll look forward to next year's show. Well, I've got lots to talk about when it comes to my layout, the MKT Sedalia subdivision, so you'll want to stay tuned for that, and we'll see you then.